Today we will be talking about infinite limits. So what are infinite limits then?
Well, infinite limits is where there is an equation and value that the limit is approaching only gets infinitely smaller, but never actually reaches the limit.
What do you mean?
Well, say we have the equation, where f of x equals 1 over x minus 1 squared, and we are trying to find the limit as x approaches 1. As x approaches 1 in the equation, the y values become infinitely smaller, but never actually reach 1.
Oh, okay, so what happens if we have an infinite limit and want to find it as it approaches from the left or the right?
In that case, there would be a special denotation in the limit, either a plus or a minus, to show that we want to find the limit as it approaches from the right or the left. In that case, there may be a limit for that value, because it only approaches from one side.
So how do we determine if an equation has an infinite limit?
Well, we can always graph the equation to determine if there is an infinite limit.
Is there any other way?
Well, oftentimes we can determine if there is an infinite limit by finding out the vertical asymptotes in the graph.
Thanks, well that about wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed learning about infinite limits within calculus.